Okay, so this is the apartment tour. This is the outside. It's very beautiful. Neighborhood. Yep. Okay, bear with me. The neighbors are already downstairs drinking beer. 9 a.m. I'm gonna like this place. We're up here, number 7. Welcome to the humble abode. This is the living room, dining room, where we will have a giant couch. This is my beautiful coffee table. Thanks, Mom and Dad. The dining table will go right here. Big window. Jay, Jenna, and Jackie. This is the kitchen. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay. Refrigerator. I forgot what it was called for a sec. This is the hallway, which down there connects to the living room. Hallway closet. Ooh. It's like real life. Taylor poster. Need to put her up. This is my roommate's room. They're replacing the carpet on Tuesday. Thank you to my amazing negotiating skills. So this is her room. Window. Window. Let's get to my room. Oh yeah, kitchen closes, so if you want to shut someone in there, great. Hallway. Here's my room. Chair, first piece of furniture. Already making it look pretty. Huge window. Walk-in closet. Walking in here. It's already getting full and I don't even have my clothes in here yet. My bed will go there. Dresser, desk, who knows. Oh, my cute little boots. Okay, glad you saw those. Well, oh, bathroom. This is the bathroom. Beautifully outdated pink tile, but whatever. Aunt Maria, your bath mat. Okay. Hall closet storage, lots of storage, which is exciting because that's first for my post-college life. Oven from the 1930s, but whatever. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna look different once we get some furniture in here, but that's about it. Bye.